Hello, welcome back to another video by me, Lord Aington, and today I'm going to show you how to easily make your mic sound 100 times better than what it used to be. So basically, what I'm using right now is this very quite cheap, I think it was like £5 PC mic. This is what it looks like. So pretty cheap and basic, especially for this, so I can show you. Oh yeah, hence why I'm not using this mic. That mostly sounds good already, so that's a bagged example for this video. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm on my desktop right now, and you can see my lovely Spiffing Tea wallpaper. And yes, I am a fan of the Spiffing Brit, if you're wondering, hence why the wallpaper. So one of the easiest things to do to make your mic sound a lot better is you basically want to go into your settings here and go to your mic settings. So simply just go to Control Panel, like that. Just be in the other window here, and then you want to go ahead and go to Sound, and that will open up the sound dialog here. You want to go to Recording, and then you want to go to your current mic that you have selected. So I've plugged this into the mic input on the front of my PC case, which is the Realtek high definition audio microphone. So you want to click on here, and then you want to go ahead and go to Enhancements, and you see I've got noise suppression and acoustic echo cancellation both turned on. And now sometimes these can be pretty good to turn on, especially if you're in a very windy environment. You probably want to turn on noise suppression. And acoustic echo cancellation, you probably want to turn that on if you've got like speakers and you're like in a video chat call with someone like on Discord or Skype, Zoom or something like that. Although if you're wearing earphones, you do not need it on at all. So I'm wearing earphones right now, so we can go ahead and turn that off. And hopefully you should notice a slight difference already. I've noticed on this sound driver on here that acoustic echo cancellation doesn't really do a lot once you turn it off. That's unless you turn off noise suppression. And now it should sound a lot different. And that's very basic for making your mic sound a lot better if you're in a good environment, like I am. And also some other stuff is you can go to Advanced and maybe change your sampling rate. This is currently at the high setting. 2-channel, 16-bit, 192,000 hertz actually. So yeah, this should be sounding the best quality you can get out of this sound driver, or the card you're using, or, well, for me, yeah. But I've noticed when you get like a new card or have a used one and you immediately plug in the mic, usually it will turn on all of these enhancements, and as I already said, that doesn't sound amazingly good. And also it usually puts you at either the lowest quality or the like a medium low kind of thing around here. And so you want to put this on the highest. This should not affect your performance in like gaming or your computer at all, apart from the quality of the sound, of course. So whack that right up. It won't. All it will do is give you good and make your videos, audio, whatnot sound a lot better. And yeah, once you've got that selected, you want to click apply because, like these, for me, there's like an immediate mode, so you just stick them and it automatically puts them on. But for sampling, you have to click apply. So my normal mic that I use, which is actually a Behringer Xenix 302 USB mixer with the mic itself, the Samsung R21S XLR mic, plugged into it. It doesn't actually go very high in quality, as it's quite a cheapish budget mixer, the 302, and it's actually kind of slightly old now, if I believe. So yeah, that only goes up to 48,000 hertz, which is good enough for me, and sounds pretty good. But it can go as low as mono at mono. Well, one channel. There's 2 channels stereo, 1 channel is mono, which is only 11,025 hertz, which is what they call dictation quality in Windows. And so that's like a really low quality, like really old style cassette kind of style recording. It sounds like, and trust me, you do not want that something sounding like that in this time, in 2020. So yeah, just with those small little tweaks, if you're in a good environment, you can turn off the enhancements, and they do remove like wind and whatnot, but it usually does affect the quality quite a bit, and doesn't really make it sound that great. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully your mic sounds pretty good right now from my help. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. See ya.